In the remote Arctic Circle at Camp Viking, British Royal Marine Commandos demonstrated a cutting-edge piece of military technology during their Winter Deployment 25, the new L403A1 assault rifle, derived from the Knight Stoner 1 KS-1 platform. This modern weapon, unveiled in January 2024 by the UK Ministry of Defence, marks a significant leap in the Royal Marines' cold-weather operational capabilities. In front of key military officials and experts, the Commando Force showcased their commitment to enhancing their force with the latest technology and precision training for extreme environments. The L403A1, which replaces the aging L85A2, is a high-performance, reliable and adaptable 5.56mm assault rifle built for harsh conditions. The rifle is designed to meet the demands of today's military forces, particularly the Royal Marine specialized units responsible for high-risk raids and amphibious operations worldwide. The L403A1 is built on the KS-1 State Route 16 platform by Knight's Armament Company. This model was specifically chosen to address the limitations of the L85A2, a bullpup rifle that had been in service for decades but faced criticism due to its ergonomic challenges, heavy weight and maintenance demands. The decision to switch to the L403A1 signals a major move toward more efficient, user-friendly and versatile weapons for the UK's elite units. A standout feature of the L403A1 is its piston-driven mechanism. This system improves reliability in various operational settings, especially in extreme cold, by reducing the fouling seen in older direct impingement models. The rifle's performance is unmatched in sub-zero temperatures, crucial for the Royal Marines' operations in places like Norway's frozen landscapes. With temperatures dipping as low as -40 degrees Celsius, the L403A1 proved its ability to perform flawlessly, making it indispensable for the Commando Force's cold weather engagements. The L403A1 has been specifically engineered for versatility. Equipped with both a Vortex 1 to 10 LPVO low-power variable optic and an Aimpoint Acro Peak 2 red dot sight, the rifle can be quickly adapted to various combat scenarios. Whether it's urban operations, open terrain, or Arctic engagements, the weapon can adjust to the required level of precision. The optics enhance the rifle's accuracy and target acquisition at multiple ranges, offering Royal Marines flexibility in fast-changing environments. Additionally, the rifle includes a Knight's QDC/MCQPRT suppressor, reducing its noise and muzzle flash for stealth operations. This combination of precision optics and suppressor technology makes the L403A1 perfect for covert missions where minimizing detection is crucial. The rifle's design also emphasizes ergonomics. The adjustable buttstock, pistol grip, and lightweight handguard are tailored for comfort and handling, even in the most demanding situations. Its modular design allows for the addition of various accessories and components, giving the Royal Marines the flexibility to customize the weapon according to mission needs. The UK Ministry of Defence's order for over 1,600 L403A1 rifles, with an option to purchase 10,000 more, signifies a strategic effort to modernize the British Armed Forces. These rifles will equip the Royal Marines and other frontline units who regularly face high-intensity operations. The move from the L85A2 to the L403A1 not only improves the operational effectiveness of British forces but also reflects the Ministry of Defence's broader aim to keep pace with evolving military technologies. The L403A1 semi-automatic and selective full-auto firing modes, along with its enhanced durability and maintenance-friendly design, ensure that the UK Commando Force is prepared for any future challenges, be it in the Arctic or elsewhere in the world. The demonstration of the L403A1 during the Winter Deployment 25 is more than just about showcasing a new weapon. It's about enhancing the readiness of the British Royal Marines for future Arctic operations. With over 2,000 personnel from various units involved in training exercises designed to enhance cold weather proficiency, the Royal Marines are investing in the skills necessary to operate in the most unforgiving environments. As the L403A1 enters service, it will be a crucial asset in the toolkit of the British Royal Marines. With its advanced features, adaptability, and performance in extreme conditions, the rifle ensures that the UK's elite forces remain ready to meet any challenge, further strengthening their strategic capabilities in the high north and beyond. The L403A1 is poised to shape the future of cold weather and high-risk operations for years to come.